So we just got to the luminous silk masterclass with Armani. Now we come new products. And I'm very excited because the luminous silk foundation is one of my favorite foundations.
And not only that, the fact that
So we just got to the luminous silk masterclass with Armani. Now we come new products. And I'm very excited because the luminous silk foundation is one of my favorite foundations.
And not only that, the fact that Armani decided to change everything into liquid base, including the eyeshadows and the blushes, is a big deal.
She did her lesson.
Artists with whom we're going to spend a moment to talk about luminous silk, of course, but also how we're celebrating our 20 years of beauty this year with amazing products, and some of which you're going to try to do your own color.
No, I'm not. They are.
Yeah, they are.
Paramount of importance to Mr. Armani. So we have these 3 skin products, and then basically it's very interesting because they're weirdly 3 very different products, but they all have the same architecture. So you have the luminous silk, which Western skin was pink. So and then if we wanted a yellow base, we'd go to like Bendale's in New York and we'd buy Shiseido. And then suddenly luminous silk came along, and it was mainly yellow based. It was also extremely luminous because until, like I was saying about grunge, right? Until then, like for grunge, you just used to have like this fake natural where it was like tons of foundation slathered in 8-hour cream to make it look glowing, you know, so it wasn't at all natural, it was kind of completely fake. Then suddenly luminous silk came along and it gave you the skin that you were born with. That was the credo. It was kind of Mr. Armani wanted skin that women were born with. So it was about having this like amazing, very natural looking skin. It was covering, but you didn't look as if you had a mask on.
We're creating our own lip maestros with Armani today. And that's Rania, creating her own shade. So now we're trying Armani's new concealer. Yay, stay tuned. Okay.
I think under your eyes.
We're gonna remove my concealer من هذه العين.
Do you want to do both sides?
Yeah, let's do both sides. And the new luminous silk concealer بهواي shades كلش حلوة وتغطي بشكل كلش حلو. And now we're using shade 525.
You can mix with your foundation, you can mix with your body milk for the body, but now I'm going to apply the highlight.
Yes, I'm looking for that. A little bit of pinky touch here.
Okay.
Just in the corner of the eyes.
So right here.
Just right.
Are you going to apply some concealer?
Do you mind if I take
So بعد ما حطت لي الفلويد شير يصير يعني ماكو جرينس يصير بالكونسيلر مالتك. شلون كولر كوركت؟ عينا انا لما احط الكونسيلر انا شنو اتعارك ويا وجهي. وين؟
You know حياة وقت بامية؟
We're using the A contour. طبعا B contour highlight and blush. This one's the blush. Okay, so what are you going to do with that?
We can just shade just a little bit to make your bones
Okay.
upper. So I'm going to use
and go lighter. It's better if you use a lighter foundation and go darker. And actually, now that I've used the lighter foundation, I don't know if you guys noticed.
Blush. She mixed the lip maestro with the fluid sheer اللي استخدمناه جوا عيني. اللي she mixed with the concealer. هيجي صار can I see the color? Yeah. Okay, هيجي صار لونه. Blush, she mixed the lip maestro with the fluid sheer اللي استخدمناه جوا عيني. اللي she mixed with the concealer. هيجي صار can I see the color? Yeah. Okay, هيجي صار لونه. شنو؟ Andiamo? Dania, just
Andiamo fratello le tutti le paniamo.
got it.